Imagine you are floating in deep space. Ahead of you lies a region of pure darkness, surrounded by a swirling ring of fire, a black hole. Have you ever wondered what you would actually see if you fell in? Not from the outside, but through your own eyes. Science fiction often gets this wrong. The reality is far stranger and far more terrifying. Today, we take a one-way trip across the event horizon. As you drift closer, the first thing you notice is how the universe begins to warp. The black hole acts like a giant lens. The light from stars behind it doesn't travel in a straight line. It curves around the gravity well. You see the famous Einstein ring. The darkness is encircled by a perfect, distorted copy of the galaxy behind it. But look closely at the center. It's not just black. It is the absence of information, a shadow cast by the event horizon. If this black hole is active, you are now approaching the accretion disk. This is gas and dust spinning at nearly the speed of light. Friction heats it to millions of degrees. To your eyes, it shines brighter than the sun. But here is the strange part. Due to the Doppler Effect, the disk looks lopsided. The side spinning towards you looks incredibly bright and blue. The side spinning away looks dim and red. You are looking at a lopsided smile of fire in the dark. You are now very close. You reach a specific point called the Photon Sphere. Here, gravity is so strong that light itself can orbit the black hole. If you could pause here and look to the side, you would see something impossible: the back of your own head. Light reflecting off your back has circled the black hole and returned to your eyes. You are seeing a 360-degree panorama of the entire universe, compressed into a single ring. Now you cross the event horizon, the point of no return. You might expect a sign or a barrier, but there is nothing. You simply glide through. However, the view changes dramatically. As you fall faster, the light from the universe behind you gets red-shifted. The stars turn red, then infrared, then fade into darkness. The view of the outside world shrinks into a tiny, bright dot of light behind you. The rest is darkness. You are now cut off from the rest of reality. Inside, the laws of physics break down. Space and time swap roles. Moving forward towards the center is as inevitable as moving forward in time. Depending on the size of the black hole, you might begin to feel tidal forces. Gravity pulls your feet much harder than your head. You are stretched thin, like a noodle. Scientists literally call this Spaghettification. Your vision blurs. The light from the outside world is now just a distant memory. Ahead of you lies the Singularity, a point of infinite density. We don't know what it looks like. Maybe it's a blinding light. Maybe it's a gateway to another universe. Or maybe it's just the end. We cannot know for sure, because no one who sees it ever comes back to tell the story.